In this video, we will learn how to add Wikipedia in Excel sheet. So let's start. Just click on the File tab. Click on the Get Add Once. Here you can add Wikipedia in your Excel. Just click on Add. Click on Continue. That's it. The Wikipedia is added in your Excel. Now here you can search anything. If you want to any information, then I enter just Excel and enter. You can see all details available here. If you want to expand the articles, you can articles. The Wikipedia automatically open here. Okay, you can read everything. You can add here if you want to doing some project. So you can use here side by side. You want to expand the site, just click on this arrow, click on the resize, then just move through by mouse. Okay, and just click on it. Now click on the image. If you want some image, you can click it, and info box here have some info reference. Okay, overview, future, data storage, and all details. This Wikipedia you can use for your information in your Excel. Okay, if you are doing some notes about any topics, I'm just taking the example for Excel. If you enter any topic, you search in Wikipedia. You don't need to go in Google and search in the Wikipedia, then you search the topic. So here is an easy option to search with the Excel. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.